Hi all, I'm Vandana Bala, one of the corporate brokers here at Signature Real Estate Group with another broker insight. Today's broker insight is simply about the client's mindset. Here's what's happening in our industry right now. Lots of clients believe that the interest rates are too high, and so it's causing them not to purchase properties. I had a recent conversation with a client of mine who was worried about the same thing, and what I said to him was, hey, if you make 2, maybe 3 payments extra a year, you can change your interest rate to whatever you want it to be. I know you've heard the saying, marry the house, date the rate. What does that mean? It means that the rate can change, and the rate will change over time, which means that the client can always refinance, or they can control their own interest rates by making 1 or 2 additional payments a year. If that's something that isn't possible for your client, then ask them to speak with a lender so that they can figure out what a solution could be for them. You don't have to have all the answers, but you can surely connect them to someone who does. Just keep that in mind as you move forward in this season. If you have any questions about this or need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to any one of the brokers here at Signature Real Estate Group.